Hey, gente. Vamos a romper.
Como es stream, yo quiero irnos problemáticos. We gotta make this interesting.
We gotta make content. You know what I'm gonna do for content?
Quality content, bro.
You know what I'm gonna do for content? I'm gonna go very freaky frokey tonight.
Freaky frokey! Shit!
Very freaky frokey!
Eyes on the swivel.
Fuck, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Why you do that?
Why you do that?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Where are they shooting at you from again?
Oh,
from right here, from right here. Okay, cool. Everything is A-okay. Where are you? Don't kill him, don't kill him! No! You don't even say it! Don't kill him.
Behind us!
I'm going.
Behind!
I'm actually pretty fucking.
You can come get me, you can come get me. Someone.
Yeah, the one that
Don't
murdered
worry.
2 people because I have the bloodlust and I did a finishing move on 2
Yeah,
guys.
he's on his way.
There's another one, there's another one.
So there's the 3rd one coming, so you know we should be wary of that, just in case. No biggie. Oh, he's right up here. He's dead.
You kill
You
them,
see?
I'm gonna hide.
You see that? Watch out! He's here. I down him.
You
There's
killed
another one.
Poppy.
Tito, look at your.
Whoa, that's what.
Behind us.
Right here. So, he's cracked.
I see him.
He's cracked.
He's dead is what he is.
Kill them.
Holy
Watch out.
fuck!
Mario, cuidado con el carro, dale el carro.
Down
I
them.
got him. I can't. Mom, I need you.
It's okay.
I have no AR bullets, so I can't just. I need to just
I
hide.
have fully loaded. Go to my body. I have fully loaded.
Go.
Oh, she flanked me. Mario, I'm being
Right there,
I'm being attacked.
Behind you.
I know she's coming after me. I'm playing up. You have to have me.
Where the fuck is he going?
Oh, she's right next to me. Okay, cool. Alright, she got the bounty. Alright, Mario, get it all. Woohoo! That laser!
B,
Get all the money, Mario and Rez.
start grabbing that money, yeah.
My corpse is right there in front of me. I hit a good chunks of like that resin paper. I think I had enough money
Oh, I can only revive one.
yeah, you can revive one, but
Which one of you had the most money when you died?
I think it was me.
I know, I bought the load.
There's people on the roof of train station, Mario. I don't think it's a good idea to get that position.
Ah. Well, right now we have to go down. Down train station.
We can go through train station.
Yep.
Watch out!
To the right.
On the roof, they're on the roof, they're on the roof.
From everywhere. Shit.
They're in the trees!
Come on, Dove.
What the fuck?
Down them.
Finish him, I finished him. Get go.
On your feet. Let's go.
Oh, what the fuck are you?
Bruh.
What?
I really don't know.
Oh, behind me and in
Bro,
front of me,
please,
behind me and in front of me.
They're coming.
I'm going up to the roof.
Getting charged.
Nice, Mario!
Revive me.
I'm going
What
to get
the-
you
I
guys.
downed one on the roof. Tiene que venir ya. Juanga.
Right there.
Just it.
Where the
Got one of them. I got one of them.
The other one's on the roof. He's down though. Oh, that was Team
Team White.
White. Grab all the money. Grab all the money if you can.
Yeah, I think I grabbed all the money too.
On the
I
right,
have
when you go out on the
money
right,
on
it's
me.
my stuff. There's my stuff. There's my stuff. Is my money there? No, no. It's
I'm
not.
gonna kill this. I'm gonna kill this bitch.
Yeah, there's nothing. Deja de marcar eso.
We have these two buy stations. These are the two closest buy stations. You only have to revive one of us.
Fuck. Oh,
Wanga,
Yeah,
fall
I see.
back. That is
Yeah.
not the route. That is.
Can I get my guns? Can I get my guns? Can I get
Your
my guns?
guns are gonna get lost,
know.
Mario. Your guns are gonna get lost.
So no. Okay.
Up, by the
you think
truck,
it's
there's
gonna
another
root?
one. By the truck, there's another one. Up.
Okay.
Just took the kill and left. Wow. You're mean. There's this other buy station over here.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Alright. There's. Look at that one.
Who had the most money? Or
I
did
had
get
a
the
lot of
first
money. I had about 6.
We both
Yeah,
had a lot of money, but
Executive decision. Executive decision. What do I do?
we both had a lot of money, so it's up to you.
I'm gonna get the first
Yo
one.
tenía como 6,600.
I have
Tú
6,400.
primero anyway, Chavo. You first.
Oh, we have enough. We have enough. We have
Come
enough.
here.
Everyone just
We're gonna
dive
get-
bomb
we're
down.
gonna do
Everyone just
money.
dive bomb
We're
down
gonna
and
do
then
money.
get the money.
Where you at?
By the buy station. The money's over there.
I left it.
That what you guys. I'm coming back for more content. Let's go.
Without Kojo, it has me.
Without
I think I see
balls.
someone. I see someone. Right here.
Where?
I don't have a sniper. I have Bruin and SMG, so I can't help you out much, buddy. My
Yeah,
bad.
I just took with the AUG and I just have my.
Yeah.
He jumped. I just saw him jump.
¿Qué pasó?
I'm stuck in the. Oh, there we go.
Ah, no sé dónde están, pa. Tienen que estar por ahí de mi cuarto o aquí en la cocina.
Baba Bowie.
There we go.
Oh shit.
Got him.
Fuck.
Oh, they killed you. No.
I'm fucking down.
Fuck, he's with me.
I'm going downstairs. I'm going downstairs.
Close, huh?
Fuck, he got me again.
Let yourself. Oh shit, you have no plates. Where's your sniper, Mario?
I don't have sniper right now.
I have a sniper down if you want to go get it.
I am currently being looked for by two
go
people.
down. You shouldn't go down.
There's 2 behind that green thing.
Yeah, he needs
Watch
to
Yeah, I
out.
downed
Watch
one.
They're running. You got him. One down.
Mario,
Down,
come
bro.
on. Watch out for the other one.
Hostile coming. Watch your back. You watch your back. Yeah.
Oh shit, behind you.
I told you.
How did he-
Watch your back, bro.
That was. Cabrón, no, I think no me deja brincar. Either way, 2 shots. He gave me 2 shots.
I mean, but there's only one option right now, and I think it's pretty obvious.
Oh.
He's AFK. He is not here. And
5,
we're
4,
fucked.
2, 1.
When I say
Mario.
jump, you press the X button.
Yeah.
Hay un montón de gente con ustedes.
Oh, 2 people.
Con cuchillo, cabrón.
Sorry, guys.
En serio.
Mario, if you were here, we would have survived, but Juan and I died for your sins.
Fuck you then.
Está en medio.
I got my fully loaded, baby.
Fuck, fully loaded.
Let's go, ho. Let's
Hop
go,
in,
ho.
losers, we're going shopping.
Postéale por aquí arriba, Tito.
Cuchillo loaded, you got it. Really, AR.
I got one loaded for both my guns. Both AR.
Wait, Mario se bajó.
Ay,
Why?
I'm stupid.
You utter buffoon! Get in! Oh my god! I'm gonna cry.
Espérate.
You playing Minecraft.
Why?
I like that PUBG.
Aquí está un police station.
Yo tengo un armor box. Vamos a escondernos arriba y te tiro.
We're taking shots! What do you mean?
Me van a matar.
No, I am. I'm going to die. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna die.
They're persistent. These fuckboys are persistent.
Le dieron aquí más frente de tú.
Yeah, and I'm good. Switch cars!
Aquí.
Switch cars!
What the fuck?
No, go.
Hop in, losers! Let's go!
Dale. Nieta.
No te gustaba mi vehículo, cabrón.
It was
Y
there.
Mario.
On top.
Ah, ok, yo como que Mao. Ah, bueno, ahí. Mao. Ahora te metemos en snipeazo por chistoso.
In here, let's go.
Tiro mi armor box aquí adentro.
That would be nice.
Enemy UAV overhead. The safe zone.
Bro, I am reverse Robin Hood. I steal from the poor and give to the rich.
What?
Hey, bro, are you TikTok? Because I want you to get inside all of my privates.
Okay. Okay. Really
Oh my
did not
God.
have to go there, but you went there. Okay.
Oh my god. What the actual fuck?
There's jokes and then there's okay.
¿De cuál? Tipi. Richard, tu net worth. Jeffrey. Es viernes. ¿Dónde está la mujer?